Hello guys, you are welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you this step-by-step process on how you can design something like this with your smartphone. Please, if this is your first time of coming to this channel and you have not yet hit on that subscribe button, I'd like you to subscribe. Click the like button and also turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I drop a new video. So right away, we'll go to our Pixellab app. If you have not yet downloaded this app, I will recommend you go on Play Store now and download Pixellab. Just type Pixellab and you'll be able to download. So this is a Pixellab app. If you have not yet downloaded, you can go on Google Play Store and download. So I'll click open. So when you open, this is how the workspace will display. So the first thing we are going to do, we are going to import our background. So this is the background I'll be using. But you see, if you look at the size of this image, it's like, an upright rectangular shape. But I want to use something which is square. Yeah, so that is the dimension I'll be using. So I will just click on this 1:1. If you look down here, you will see 1:1. Click on it. Then from there you reshape to take the position that you want to take. So after that, click OK and you enlarge. Alright, so you come to the relative position tool. This is to ensure that your image is well aligned at the center. So I'll click this part first and later on I click this part. Okay, so it is well aligned at the center now. So I want to change this background color to white. So I will click here, I go to color. I choose color, not gradient, choose color, the one up. Then you take white. See, it has been changed to, the background is now white. So if I close this, you see that the background is white. So I'll click on this one. Then I go to my opacity tool. This is the opacity tool. I will reduce to some value. Let me put it at 60. Then I lock this so that it does not shift from its position. So the next thing I'm going to do is to bring in my image. So I'll go to my gallery and import my image. This is the image I'll be using. This is the image I'll be using. So I will just cut the image from here. Okay. So now, as it is now, we rotate the image. You come to your 3D rotate to the y-axis. You rotate to 180. Then you shift it to the left. Okay, so this is the flyer I want to realize the design. The only thing that I've changed here is the image. I've used a different image. When practicing, you can as well use a different image. So what I will do is I want to create that yellow background, that yellow shape at the background there. So I will go to, let me go step by step so that you see. I'll go to shape. Now come to where you have fill color. Click this plus sign. So I want to take this color picker tool. I want to pick that color. I'll click on it. Then I click on the image. So this is it now. This is the yellow we'll be using. Alright, so we have had that color. So I'll go to my radius to curve the edge a bit. Let me leave it at 15. Let me close this. Alright, so it will be something like this. Okay, so we'll send it behind the image. Then I'll still go to shape and bring on this white shape. Just resize it to the particular dimension that you need. So I'll just resize this and put here. Alright, now we are good to go. So what are the other information to be filled? So the next thing now is to put in the header. Here you see Cameroon Baptist Convention, Kaka Association, G for Baptist Church. That's what I'll be putting on now. So let me close this. I'll go back to my gallery and import all those things. Okay, so I've imported it. Let me close this course. So this is for this Cameroon Baptist Convention. I will change the color to black. Minimize and put here. Okay, for the cross now, the cross is already black. So I will just minimize. Okay, I think that size is okay. Alright, so let me just put in the other details. Cameroon Baptist Convention. Okay, let me put the other details. I will just copy this and replicate. Make sure it was aligned under this one. Alright, so what are the other details to be inserted now? Next, I will shift this yellow background up a bit. Okay, then now I'll bring in these shapes. So the first shape there, put it here. Let me pick the color. It's this color, something brownish, something like that. Then we increase the radius. Let me put it at 15 or 20 even. All right. So I'll copy this. Then now I'll just pick the color. Next color I'll be picking is this color. Send it behind this. Then I'll shift it. Okay, let me pick the last one. Seems I'll increase the radius again. Let me leave it at 30. The same with this. Let me leave it at 30. Alright. So this, for this color, I'll pick another one. But first of all, let me increase the radius to 30 and pick that color there. Okay. So I'll send it behind too. Lock this so that they don't displace from their original position. Okay. Now if you look at the tip of those shapes, you see something like a rectangular projection. You see something like a projection. If you check here keenly, you see something like a small projection. So put that too. Just come back to shape. Take the shape you want. Okay, make sure it matches with that color, the first color. This is the first color, right? Just put here. The same, copy it, and then go to color. The same for the other one. Always use your ruler tool to ensure that they align. Okay, so they align now. Alright. Close this. So what's the next thing to be done here? Next thing to be done here is to put you have G4 Baptist Church. That's what you have there. So right away, I'll just write my G4. Change the color to black, and the font. And the font I'll be using here is, oops, no, Nevis, this one. What have I done here? Okay. Okay, so you have to use your ruler tool to ensure that all the elements align. So there is a unique alignment. So you have G4 Baptist Church, invite you to there. So you copy this and you write invite you to there. Okay, induction service off. You copy this. Shift it down a bit. Alright. Induction service of pastor. reduce the size a bit. Okay, Pastor Munjo Kaisen. So I'll just write that. Change the color to let me use deep red. Alright, if you look very well, you see that the spacing, the line spacing there is, make it use a line spacing and increase the font as well. Alright, so that's that for that. So what's the next thing? I've not put present. Alright, so the next thing is to just put in the dates, the time, and the venue. Want to reduce the size, you can as well come to this to size, the size tool. From there you can easily reduce the size, and always make sure the line spacing should be of significant distance, shouldn't be that much. So I'll just copy this, put in the time, change the color to black. Copy this, then put the venue. Yeah, so the other thing left now is to put in the contact details. So first we start with the fee pastor, the association pastor, the church pastor, the appointed deacon. Alright, I think we have done what is supposed to be done. Putting in the numbers cannot necessarily be an issue to you if you are still learning. So let me close this so that you see what we have been able to realize. Yeah, so this is just a simple design. Yeah, I'm aware that some of you are still learning, so this is just a simple design that you can do. And please hit on the subscribe button if you have not yet subscribed, and stay tuned because I'll be dropping tutorials here severally on this channel. Thanks for watching. Please endeavor to share.